In this video, we're going to talk about vertical shifts, and we are going to be working with two functions. Our first function that we're going to be working with in this video is y equals x squared. This is our parent function for this parabola. And then the second parent function we're going to be working with is y equals the absolute value of x, which creates this V-shaped graph. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to show what it looks like when you shift both of these parent functions vertically, either up or down. So, with the parabola, one of the first things, and I'm just going to write our parent function down, y equals x squared. The vertex of my parabola is located at the coordinate 0, 0. It's located at the origin. I get that when x is 0, y is also 0. Pretty straightforward stuff. So here, with my shift, what I want to do is I want to look at the function. I know that I'm graphing a parabola. Order of operations, say I'm going to take my x values, square it, and then add 2 to it. Well, what this does is this takes my parabola, and this is going to increase or move it vertically 2 spaces. So I take my parabola, instead of having the vertex at the origin, my vertex is actually going to be up 2 spaces. And from there, I draw my graph with the exact same shape as before. For the next transformation, order of operations, say I'm going to square it and then subtract 3. Well, if x is 0, if I plugged in 0 for x, I would find that y is actually 3. This is going to be the location, the new location of my vertex. And what this tells me is that I'm going to be moving my parabola down 3 spaces. So my vertex gets shifted down 3 spaces, and then from there, I'm just going to draw the same shape. Please excuse the fact that my parabolas they don't hit exactly all the same lattice points as if I was drawing it with the parent function, but for the purposes of this video, same shape, we're shifting it up and we're shifting it down. In general, we can say that for this function, we're going to take our parent function, and if I'm adding a constant to it or subtracting a constant to it, that's going to be a vertical shift. Say I have plus 5, we're going to go up 5 units. If I have minus 5, we're going to go down 5 units. So now let's look at these two graphs, these absolute value functions. Same idea. Here is my absolute value of x. That's going to form this V shape. And then what I'm going to do is add 3 units to that. That's going to take my absolute value graph, bump it up 3 units. We're keeping the same shape as before, we're just shifting it vertically. For this last one, same idea. Here's my absolute value function, but now we're moving it down 5 units. Same shape as before, just down 5 units. And again, these are ugly graphs, but you get what we're doing here. So, awesome. That is vertical shifting. Thank you so much.